Morning. I've got a new hobby for you. Every morning when you have your coffee, you can check your phone, put it on, go on Aurum Foundation, see how much money you made last night. 24/7, 365. AI is changing the community and the way you do business. Most traditional businesses are dead. Network marketing is dead. This is building infrastructure. I have clear, direct instructions to hire some people into the ecosystem to prepare them for opening of a North American office for Aurum Foundation. The first step is to open an account, to learn the infrastructure, to know the community, to know the leaders, to know the managers, to know the hiring bosses. It's a global opportunity. Canada is now legally open and we are accepting candidates to develop your careers right here. Daily at 11 o'clock and 1 o'clock, a cross-border expansion with David. David Powers was a ex-Primerican, just like me. And now we found a place that we can apply our past knowledge and accelerate into the future much faster pace. Why? AI. The COO, Chief Officer or Financial Officer, CFO of the company will be in Miami this May. Isaac Andrews, initials AI. This is not a coincidence. This is the right time for you to find out how AI can change your future. With daily deposits into your account, whether you have $100 or you have $100,000, you will make money. Every single person who has an active account at Aurum Foundation makes money every single day. All of my family, my children, my wife, my brother, my sister, my cousins, everyone has an active account at Aurum Foundation. If you don't have one, ask for a code. We'll help you register for free. I'm Arif Gilani. I'll see you at 11, 1 o'clock, or 3 p.m. for the last session today.